Yo, what's up, guys? All right, this is the light that I had to pick up. Well, not pick up. I got from eBay. The one at the scrap yard. I'm gonna try to post that part too. It was crap. I was trying to get a little second hand from one of the yards where you pull them. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. I'm gonna need a Phillip. But what I'm gonna do? This is my back light. Okay, move some of my junk around here. All right, so this is my back light that I needed to fix. Kind of looking at it. Looks like it's gonna work. Two screws on it. Man, I hope this works because a lot of time you get this stuff from China, man, it don't work, you know? You in the middle, well, you give me some more trouble. One of them give me all kinds of trouble. So, okay, now this is pretty bad. Yep, that's pretty bad. Yeah, that one might be good. So, also, it got alignment pins on it. And the wind blowing hard. Yeah, it's like so. This one has a sticky back on it. don't have a bulb for the other side, but I'm gonna put this one in anyway. And all it is push in and twist. And from a LED, that's just a straight push in. It's pretty good so far. Yeah, so far that's looking pretty doggone good. Okay, that lined up. I was wondering if it was gonna line up or not. Alright, so compared to the other one, to me, yeah, that's beautiful compared to this other one. Admittedly, it was damaged up, but still way better. What y'all think? I got this off for, alright, so that came out real nice. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm gonna see if I can find the link, because they have something for all different types of vehicles, and some of y'all might want it for like y'all SUVs or whatever. It's real nice. Alright, thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.